Hello guys. So this is the most relaxing place for me. So I usually come here when I'm stressed and when I have so many things in my head. So when I come in and I find solution most of the time. So I just think that if I can make a short video for you to show you how Dzaleka camp look like. In the afternoon, you can find so many people around here, so many people relaxing. So this is Dzaleka camp. So I prepare a short video for you. So check it out how this relaxing place look like. And this is Dzaleka camp. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to share. Curly and she's very cutie. Told you that this is an amazing place. See how it's look like. So it's a real amazing place, and as you can see, as you can see, so many people really came in, and they do real enjoy. Then wow, wow, wow. So when it's sunny day, see the sun over there, okay? And that's alright. So you're not going to feel the hotness. Oh my god. So, yes, so amazing place. Wow, 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 wow. This is Dzaleka Can. This is where people enjoy to relax. Yeah. Mm, good. Good. Oh wow. Yes. So this brother looks like, yeah. Uh, this is Burunese people playing Booba. Yo man, so amazing. Thank you for watching.